everyone, welcome to Rose Peak Minds. Today we are going to look at the sound eh, and the name for this sound is E, and the sound it makes is eh. So let's look at some words that starts with eh. Eh is for egg. Egg. Is for elf. Elf. Is for eye. Eye. Is for Eskimo. Eskimo. Is for elephant. Elephant. Is for eggplant. Eggplant. Is for earth. Earth. Is for elbow. Elbow. Is for exercise. Exercise. Is for engine. Engine. All of these words started with the sound a. Practice makes perfect. So let's take a look at those words again. Is for elf. Elf. Is for egg. Egg. Is for eye. Eye. Is for Eskimo. Eskimo. Is for elephant. Elephant. Is for eggplant. Eggplant. Is for earth. Earth. Is for elbow. Elbow. Is for exercise. Exercise. Is for engine. Engine. That concludes our words for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up so it motivates us to do more videos like this. Goodbye.